Hi everyone, good morning to all my biker friends. So today's video is going to be about the problem that I faced with my bike. So the problem was with my rear disc pads. So how I found out the problem was that I was just going for a quick ride. So I was just taking out my bike from the garage, and I noticed the sound coming from the rear disc pads. So I just put my bike on the main stand and I started inspecting. Uh, and I found out that when I was trying to rotate my tire, the sound was coming exactly from the pads, from the caliper, and I could see that there was a slight damage to my disc rotor. So I've just made the entire video where I've exactly shown what was the damage and how I resolved the problem. So do watch the video, guys, and let me know if you have any questions. I would be glad to answer them. So okay guys, as you can see that there is a small lining. Let me just open the flash. Okay, so now you can see it clearly. So can you see these two linings here on the disc rotor? Yes, so this is the part which was this was getting scratched up, and this is the damaged area. Luckily the damage is not that much. I didn't drive my bike that much, so so the plate is still fine. But what was the issue? I'll just show this to you, what was causing this damage. So I'll just have to take my pads from the caliper. Okay, so the pads are now out. So the issue was with the right pad. So I hope you can see a small sort of a hole in here. Can you see? I hope you guys can see it. So here there was a small and a very tiny piece of metal stuck in this, which was actually rubbing against the rotor, which was making these lines. So I hope you guys can see it clearly. So can you see these two lines coming up? Yes, the metal part on the brake pads was rubbing against the disc, and that was creating the unusual sound. So what I did was I just simply then put my bike on the main stand. Then I inspected the pads and I found that small piece of metal in here. So what I did was, then, just to make sure that all the parts are cleaned up, I used this piece of sandpaper which I had. This is the sandpaper which I used, and I just kept on rubbing the pads until they were clean like this. So you can see that it's almost shining. So I tried my best to clean it up to make sure that all the extra debris was removed, and no further damage can be done to my disc plate. So guys, this video is just to make you aware of the of such issues, that you can also, whenever you're going for the service, or whenever you guys are whenever you guys are going for the service or just cleaning the pads at home, make sure that you do not just keep your pads unattended somewhere where the portion of the pad, the brake pads, is facing downwards, and it's extra debris or any extra contaminant is touching that pad area. Because if you don't clean it up thoroughly and you don't keep it properly, then there is a good chance that extra metallic particles or anything could just stick to that pad, and when you install it back, it might actually again start scrubbing against the disc rotor. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to share anything about my bike or any other specific area. I would glad to make a video on that. Till the time, I would say that be safe, ride safe, and take care. Bye.